Bindi. She has been lying here listening to me feed the animals. Getting the bowl out of the fridge for Cleo and everything. And she was just sweetly, peacefully, quietly laying in there. I didn't even know she was in there. It's almost open. How does a cat behave like that unless they really got into something outside earlier? Something's going on in here where Cleo isn't gonna eat. Or are you? Yeah, there you go. She did it. And then Billy likes, you like crunchy? You want some crunchies? Because you already had some of the wet food. Right? Turn this off so you can see better. Christmas tree. Oh, bring down the decorations. I have Christmas decorations. What is that? I don't even know the company. Oh, these are white lights. This will be nice on this tree. They're green. So green is good to fill out the tree. This is gonna look really nice. Is this netting or just lighting? I gotta figure it. This might be specialty lighting. This is the bushes. Yes. Shiny things. I'm gonna turn this down. Ah, I just saw my own video. I saw that I pointed to this box and said I should do that. And then I never did it. Here's the box. I'm gonna put it into the tent so I actually do it. Vegetable garden, fertilizer in those. The leaves, what do you call them? Curled. Uh-oh, I picked up the guitar. I'm playing to the plants just for a second. Top just for now. Looks like a star for now until I find something better. There's Suki. Look what I just found. It's a little like bowl, little bowl topper. Gotta find a bowl to put it in. One day, and I turned around, and this is what I saw. Ah, looks like a little bit of freezing, possibly rain. Dripping a little too slowly, as if they're getting cold on their way down. Like this window shouldn't. Oh, okay, that's because I have a storm window up there. Oh my gosh, is that snow? It might even be like turn into snow, because it's really cold out. Quick, let's take a quick glimpse inside. Oh, I didn't water in here yet? Oh my god, I watered downstairs. That's right. I didn't water up here yet. So everyone here is drying out completely. Even the humidifier's off. Ah! Ooh, this one looks good. Grew big old leaves overnight. It's all smoothed out now. That's gonna be a cool plant. Very good. Let me get some water. All right. Ocean forest soil I got, you know, starting on a good foot. I hope you didn't have to endure this today. This is Western Mass weather. But if you did, stay warm.